Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be creating a dream catcher using the string pull technique to create the feathers and later a glue gun to create the webbed portion. I've drawn a light circle in pencil at the top of the canvas that I'm going to work around for now to create the feathers. The base color that I'm using today is titanium white, which is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. For a chain or a string pull, I don't put down a thick layer of paint. I always try to use a fairly thin layer of paint for the base coat. That way you don't end up with too much paint accumulating when you start pulling the string along. I'm going to be using pieces of cooking twine to do the string pull. I'm laying down my various colors on top of the string on a silicone mat and just trying to space the colors out evenly. Each color that I'm using today is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, just like the white paint. So these paints are all on the thicker side in terms of consistency. I will have a link in the description box to all the paint colors, ratios and supplies that I'm using today. I like to get a good amount of paint on the string, so I'm just gently twisting the string around in the paint to ensure I've got some good coverage. To create the feather, you just gently pull the string along towards the bottom of the canvas. And now I'm just repeating the process to create 2 more feathers. to create the top of the dream catcher, I'm going to have the webbed section touch the outer circle 10 times. So the way I'm working out how to draw this is to say a circle is 360 degrees, and if I divide that by the 10 times the web is going to touch the circle, that means that every 36 degrees the web is going to touch the circle. So I'm just placing dots on the circle at every 36 degrees. Now I'm adding some inner circles that are about an inch apart from one another. And I'm just making one final little circle in the center. I'm making a dot in the center of each of these. And then I'm basically just going to join the dots. And basically what I'm doing is going from the main line to the center of the next line to the next main line to the center of the next line to the next main line. Hopefully that makes sense kind of as you're watching me do this. I've been inspired by AB Creative's glue gun use in her paintings, and this seems like the perfect opportunity to give it a try. I've never used one before, so I was trying it out a bit on a test canvas and hoping it's going to work out okay now as I outline the shapes. Now I'm just painting this all white. And now I'm going to paint this web rainbow colors. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. I love how bright and colorful it is. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.